Hello everyone, today we will introduce our CBOX for you. So what is a CBOX? We call it Haiwell Cloud HMI without screen, which can easily manage multiple remote devices through mobile app and the cloud website. And as long as the Haiwell Cloud is simple configured, it can easily manage and control the remote equipment one-to-many and many-to-many. Realize intelligent Internet of Things, remote management operation. Now look, this is our CBOX. You can see that it's small and does not take up space. At the same time, it has a hard shell without additional cabinet protection and can be installed inside or outside the cabinet and is saving energy costs. So now I'm going to introduce the part on the CBOX. First is our Wi-Fi Athena interface. And then first we can see the 3 indicator light, which is power, COM, and the error. And down there we can see our reset button, and we have 2 USB connection and 2 Ethernet connection. Now let's turn to the button. We can see our COM2 RS485 or COM1 RS232 and our 3-pin power supply. So why is it called Haiwell Cloud HMI without screen? Because we can control the phone as a screen, which makes it easy to control the device. So this is our CBOX, Get Smart CBOX and Get Smart Work. Thank you.
Haiwell, leading the new era of IoT.